guys, welcome back. We're going to do some projects, the end of the year type projects, holiday projects, and I gotta say all the little elves and gnomes in my shop are busy. No, they're not. Nope, no elves, no gnomes. It's really just me and what my brother likes to refer to as the sweatshop. Oh, he thinks he's funny. Yeah. Okay, so this is a project I'm working on. That's why this video is just a short one. I'm working on a shelf sitter. Now, I don't know if you've ever seen one of these. I saw them years ago at a bookstore in, I think it was in Mendocino. And when I say years ago, I mean like 20 years ago. And I thought, oh my God, that's amazing. I need one of those so bad. But you know, life and, well, life, right? So I haven't ever even attempted to make one. And then just like this burning desire for one, and I can see them in my head. And I thought, I'm just going to go ahead and get started on one. It'll be for me. It won't be for sale. It'll be something I really like. So I had some different kinds of little diorama scenarios that were in my head. And I thought, I'm going to do something with dragons. So I'm going to show you guys this is the beginning. This is what I'm working on. Like this is the jump off point. Okay, so here is my idea. The first thing I had to figure out was how to actually make the box. And I decided to use these magazine racks. Go like that so you can see them. Yeah, just normal old-fashioned everyday magazine racks. I have to use two because the dragon I have found at the thrift store she's got a big butt. So we're going to have to make two, but that's okay. Here's my dragon. Here's my color palette. I found this groovy fabric and this amazing stuff. I've been kind of collecting a few things that I want to put in. And so my idea for this is going to be, she has a dragon's hoard that she's sitting on, but her hoard is books. So this is the beginning, and I will be working on this and filming all week. And next week, I will show you the finished product. I love you guys. Thanks for journeying with me. Come back next week. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is how a YouTuber builds a business and builds a channel, and it helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Share the video if you're so inclined. Leave me a comment. I would love to talk to my community and get to know you. So please help me build. It's the best present you could give me.